Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is a brand new tutorial today to show you the best cookie run kingdom codes in 2026. You're able to get these CRK coupon codes to get tons of free gems. You can unlock all cookies. You can even get cookie cutters, fateful cookie cutters for free. These are by far the best cookie run kingdom codes. And trust me when I say, guys, I spent a long time searching Google and also watching other YouTube videos, and I managed to find these codes. So make sure you drop a like on this video and go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay up to date with these cookie run kingdom codes. So what you're going to want to do is use your mobile phone internet browser. I'm using an iPhone. You can do this on Android as well. I recommend you just use the mobile phone that you play Cookie Run Kingdom on, and just head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So type it like this, guys, cold coupons. And what this is, guys, this is basically a codes website. They specialize in game codes, and they actually have other mobile games as well. They have tons of games, guys. You can literally scroll through for hours and hours. So there is a search bar at the top of the page there. So just type in Cookie Run Kingdom. And this is the CRK coupon codes page. There are 4 verified working codes, and as you can see, thousands of people have used this method themselves. So go ahead and scroll down and let's see what codes are available. You can get a code for a random selection of free resources. You can get 100,000 free gems. You can get all cookies. So this is going to unlock all cookies for free. And you can get 300 fateful cookie cutters. So this is the absolutely best code that I found, guys. I'm going to select that one. As you can see, this is a Cookie Run Kingdom code to get 300 fateful cutters for free. And this is a code that you simply claim and enter in-game or in the website. So as you can see, it says your coupon code is ready and it will be revealed after verification. Now, essentially, guys, these are limited codes, and considering they give you tons of resources, it does mean these are limited to 1 code per user. So to get your code, you've got to click on Get Full Code and follow the instructions on this screen here. Now it says complete 2 of the free offers below to get your code from Cold Coupons. Now essentially, guys, there's going to be a list of tasks that are completely free. As you can see, each one is free, and you just need to complete 2 of them following the instructions. As you can see, there is some instructions below each one that essentially tells you what you need to do to complete that specific task. So yeah, I'm going to skip through this, but just complete 2 of them, and if you do that, your Cookie Run Kingdom coupon code will now be fully revealed in the box there, and you can go ahead and redeem it, and it's going to give you the corresponding rewards. So this one is going to give you 300 fateful cookie cutters. So go to Cold Coupons, search for the CRK, the Cookie Run Kingdom codes page here, and select whichever code you want. So make sure you like and subscribe, guys. Let me know what code you chose, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.